my name is Ezra and my dad is Aquaponics Gardener. He taught me everything I know, and I know how to change pH, I know how to change the water, I know nitrites and nitrates, and I think he'll help me too. I help my dad build aquaponics everywhere in the world. We went to the desert to set up one and help the Takalaka Rangers. I help my dad do courses and I help him pick off all the caterpillars. One of my jobs are to catch the fish, scale them, and with those fish we put them on the barbecue and eat them. My dad's been teaching aquaponics long before I was born. He even won me a school competition when I was little. My dad is aquaponics crazy. If you want to know anything about aquaponics, my dad is the way to go. He can teach you about aquaponics, and if you want to send him an email, he will reply to you. Bye.